This guy first changes the lanes intentionally and then runs the red light.
Jeez, what an...
This idiot driver slowed down on a middle lane to turn left. This driver pulls in front of the person recording without looking. This stupid driver is going the wrong way in a one-way lane.
Okay. Okay. What the f*** are you doing?
That's like those bugs.
This idiot driver was driving his car carelessly and slightly hit the car in front.
Die crashte tegen die auto aan.
Oh my goodness.
Ja, dat was helemaal niet aan het remmen. Toen gooide hem naar rechts. En zijn wiel liep.
This idiot driver was driving in a wrong way on a two-way road. This idiot driver doesn't even look at the person recording while joining the lane. This driver exited the lane very late, almost hitting the person recording. This idiot driver in the red car was enraged at the person filming and nearly hit him.
Oh, I will fucking...
Kiss my fucking ass!
This idiot person decides to pass 3 cars at once and almost hits the oncoming truck.
Like, you are so stupid.
As soon as this driver ran the red light, police caught him instantly. This stupid driver cuts the person recording off and stops in the middle of the road. This idiot driver didn't care to look while merging the road. This driver changes the lane aggressively while cutting the person recording. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more idiot drivers.
Тихо, держи себя в руках. Пиздец.
И что говорят?
Поехали, а? Я что-то понять ничего не могу, блядь. Твою мать, блядь!
Приехали, да?
Да не говори, блядь.
А?
Опа! И нас задело.
Ничего, езжайте с Ленькой, я останусь.
Твою ж мать! Нормально встала.
Нифига там, опа-на. Опа-на.
Ух ты ж, блядь! Ёб твою мать! Охуеть! Регистратор-то записал хоть? Как так-то, блядь?
Фото повели частичное наступление на наши войска в районе Шервинты. На остальных путях к Вильне без перемен.
Французская печать сообщает, что турки возводят сильные укрепления по всей Сирии.
Всем остальным. И только как бы в пределах своего района. То есть это не значит, что ты... Опа, бля, опа. И второго еще, и пиздец, и ёбаные олени, и ёбаные олени. А еще все, блядь, пиздец.
На месте боя обнаружили большое количество оружия, припасов и готовых к применению самодельных взрывных устройств.
Который очень жесткий, очень по делу, очень технологический. Потому что Максим довольно подробно разбирает, как именно технологические выборы были провалены. Как, скажем, не было нормального фандрайзинга.
Конкуренция, безусловно, между ними будет очень серьезная, потому что...
Тормозов нет. Блядь.
Да вы что тормозите?
Не работает. Блин, капец, отличный день рождения. Блин, все, капец, на полный пиздец. Все, хотите.
Тихо, тихо.
Тише, все.
Аккуратнее, иди.
Ох ты, пидорас! Охуеть!
Here are your daily videos of idiot drivers. This driver couldn't stop on time and hits the cars in front.
I caught it. I caught it recorded. He crashed it.
This idiot driver is drifting on a mid-intersection. This person was trying to change the lane without looking in the mirrors.
Lower prices always mean lower payments at Joseph Chevrolet, where
This SUV driver got too close to a person recording and almost hit him. This idiot came in front suddenly. The person recording had to swerve to avoid colliding.
Say a command.
This driver intentionally hits the back of the car.
She told me she wanted. Oh shit! Oh my god!
This motorist reversed his vehicle without realizing the back door was open, causing it to brake. This driver illegally overtakes the driver in front of him. This idiot driver keeps swerving into the oncoming traffic.
Look at this fucking retard. Oh my god.
This driver who was trying to do a burnout didn't know the cop was behind him. This idiot driver crosses the red light and almost got crashed into an oncoming bus. This SUV driver hits the driver in front and runs away.
Different cloth, but you know it's all love. Hey, listen, baby, you know I fuck with you tough, man, but you know I feel like we might be holding each other back, you know what I mean? You want some different shit, I'm on some different shit. But it's all love. That's always love.
This stupid driver's careless driving almost caused a crash.